Colin Pitchfork is a British serial killer and rapist. He was the first person convicted of rape using DNA analysis after he murdered two girls in neighboring Leicestershire villages, the first in Narborough in November 1983 and the second in Enderby in July 1986. He was arrested on 19 September 1987 and sentenced to life imprisonment on 22 January 1988 after pleading guilty to both murders. He was granted release on license in June 2021. Pitchfork lived in Newbold Verdon, attending school in Market Bosworth and Desford until his marriage in 1981 to a social worker, after which he lived in Littlethorpe. The Pitchforks had two sons. Before his marriage, Pitchfork had been convicted of indecent exposure and had been referred for therapy at Carlton Hayes Hospital, Narborough. Pitchfork had obtained work in Hampshire's bakery in 1976 as an apprentice. He continued to work there until his arrest for the murders. He became particularly skilled as a sculptor of cake decorations and had hoped, eventually, to start his own cake decorating business. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.